went to HobbyCraft. This is all there is. Didn't buy massive amount of yarn because, as you know, I have a shop, hobbyrocks.co.uk. I bought a capybara from HobbyCraft, and I got a capybara from Build-A-Bear because Harley is obsessed with capybaras. And I bought a bag for me from House of Fraser. But other than that, I've got yarn. And I had some specific things in mind. So I got this, and it's obviously it's green. I'm not a person you associate with the colour green, I know, but it's for a project. So this is their 3 for 2s Women's Institute yarn, and it's a DK. It's a premium acrylic, and there you go, that's the colour. What's it called? It is called, your guess is as good as mine. Let's just give you a view of the top of my head for a sec. My hair look wet. It's probably because it is. I'm really hot. Sage green. I was going to say it looks a bit sage. So it's 100 grams and you get 250 meters, 40-degree mild wash, and you can tumble dry it. But that's all. That's the sage, and I got, hang on, capybara can look after that. I got one, and then I got this one, which is darker, I think. Is it? No, it's the same. So I got 1, 2. Then I got this one, which is a bit goldy. A bit goldy, as my mum would have said. Goldy, that's goldy. She would have said that. So this is again 100 grams. It's by Wendy. This is Wendy Supreme DK. The other one was Women's Institute, which is affiliated to HobbyCraft. This is called Lime. I like that. I was very drawn to this colour. I don't have a project in mind for the colour because it's not really the colour I wanted, but I kind of thought, no, I can't put it back. I kind of liked it, so I got it. This is a 30-degree machine wash, cool iron, cool tumble dry, and you may dry clean. Same 4mm needles, doesn't say anything about hooks. 322 yards or 295 meters, and this is premium acrylic, and it's called Lime. Now I quite like that. I kind of saw that one first, and I did get two of them. Yarn boobies, look at that. Nearly forgot. And then, oh, this green, sort of a bit jade-like, this one. Let's say what I've done with the necklight. I was leaning on it. This one is called Green. Very enlightening. This one is the same as the first in terms of the 40-degree mild wash, tumble dry, 250 meters, and it's 100% acrylic. It's the same thing. They do 3 for 2, so I've got 2 of these and 1 of those. So that was my 3 for 2. Here's my little bill. My carrier bag cost me 20p, and ooh, the cotton yarn I got is £4.80. But then I get off, I should have money off at the end. They were meant to be 3 for 2. Doesn't look it, don't look like it. Saving today. Oh, I've got 2 bills as well, £9.50. She did it in 2 transactions at the counter because there were 3 for 2s and 3 for 2s on the other one. If you do them separately, you get one of those free. Whereas if you do the whole thing, it'll give you the cheaper ones for free. And so she did me 2. So I spent the sage one. Like it says, was £6.60, now £3.30. It's never been £6.60. I've never seen it in the shop for that, and no one will pay it. So I think that's just a lie, personally. Now I've got this one to try. It's a cotton blend. Cotton blend, it's a beautiful colour, absolutely lovely. And you know the blanket, I thought it's cotton blend, it can go on the blanket. The picnic blanket crochet along that I've been doing. So this is 215 meters. It's called Coral, and it says that twice. 215 meters. It's a DK. It's a good sized strand. There's your strand. That's really nice. I like that. And this is 50% cotton and 50% acrylic. It can go in the blanket, no problemo. But it says hand wash, so maybe not. Didn't see that. Hand wash? Really? Why? You don't hand wash cotton. You don't hand wash acrylic. So what's the point of that? So basically, I went there to see if they had any more of this cotton. Because, as I said in my live stream the other day, if you saw it, we were talking about cottons. And the Yarnsmiths cotton and the Yarnsmiths, I hate the Yarnsmiths DK. They sent me a big batch of it when I subscribed to magazine, and it is the worst yarn I've used in a long while. Sorry, Yarnsmiths, didn't like that at all. And that's Wool Warehouse's own. Their cotton's okay, only 50 gram balls, and they're not very full either. So I've got 50 gram balls that are Stylecraft that go a lot further. But this stuff, not only is it a good side strand, it works up lovely and it's nice and soft. So I know that it's going to be sort of phased out for the winter, so they won't be getting more colours in. So what they had, I got a few of. Apart from, I didn't want to get navy. It's not really in the blanket. It's more nice colours. Again though, these say 30 degrees hand wash. Cool iron. Hot pink, it's called, this one. And 100% cotton, 210 meters. I don't understand why you have to hand wash cotton. It's ridiculous. Cotton's quite durable, isn't it, usually? So I've got 2 pinks. And this colour I love. I've got 2 peaches. I wonder what the colour's called. It's a very funny yarn band. Sort of peeling off. What is the colour? What do you call it? Upside down. Apricot, I think. Apricot. 2 apricots. And then I wasn't going to get this one, but my son threw it at me and threw it in the basket, so I've got a white. Actually, that's soft and silky. I didn't even notice that. I didn't even get the cotton. That's probably messed up my 3 for 2s. And a silver. I thought he threw the white cotton at me. I should have made sure, shouldn't I? So that's it. That's what I got. And all of these colours are being used in my blanket, my picnic blanket, which should be coming to an end very soon. Really got to be on the last phases of it. So yeah, I wanted to get a bit more of this cotton because it's working out the best for it. This one and the stuff that I got from hobbyrocks.co.uk, which was the Stylecraft organics cotton, and that was lovely. Lots of different shades. They worked out really well. Yarnsmiths not so much, although there were some colours that I just wanted to get extra colours, so I did use some of the colours, but it don't really go as far, which is unfortunate. So it makes it not such a bargain really, but these were the only colours that they had. They did have a white, but obviously I didn't get that. Monster threw the wrong ball in there. Soft and silky, this is called. It's a 4-ply as well. Oh well. All these yarns that I get on my yarn quest, the ones I don't use, end up going into my high street mystery boxes at hobbyrocks.co.uk. So there is a chance that some of these could go your way, and some of the ones I got previously from HobbyCraft and all of the other places that I shop at, because I can't really use all of the yarn that I buy. So it gives me something to put in the high street mystery boxes. And it also contains things like the Aldi yarn, the Poundland yarn, all of the yarn that I get from the range and all those places. So it's just a little bit extra to put in. But that's it. I didn't really go crazy there. If you watched the shopping video, you'll see there are lots of empty shelves. They did have Feels Like Butter waiting to go on the shelf, but I didn't really have a use for it, and I've used it before. Yeah, I made a blanket with that. It was a V-stitch mile a minute, if you haven't seen it already. And it's kind of tricky, but worth it. And they had lots of Wendy to go out, but they didn't have the yarns that Victoria needed, and they didn't really have an awful lot on the shelves. So they need a good kick up the backside, really. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the yarn, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye for now.